Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Anyways, pupunta kami ngayon sa SM Fairview. I'm gonna take you with me. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I got out of the house because they were playing copyrighted music. Like, stop, okay? I don't even know what copyright does to YouTube, but I don't care. I'm not gonna do it since a lot of YouTubers actually like avoids that. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when we're in the car. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and yeah, we're just gonna wait for. Why am I stuttering? Oh my gosh, we're gonna wait for my mom. So and then someone said hi. Anyways, bye. Hi guys, we're in the car now. I'm gonna leave in like just a minute. Still gonna spit. I wish I could get a free bag of Belgian waffles. Come on, drip check. Oh, we arrived. Look at how pretty it is. Yo, Lane Small, come back. How pretty it is, guys. And
salamat talaga.
Okay na, picture na po kami nakakainan. Pero order na kami ng Churro Star. Order na kami. Kasi ang sarap. Like, may testing sila here. And it's so good. Here. Churro. Okay, stop. We ordered is spicy bulldog. I don't think Armo will handle it. Pero masarap siya, guys. Ang soft na kami. So we got the food. I'm gonna do a food review because why not? Woo! Uh-huh. Soft? Sweet? Oh my gosh, biscuit is so good. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's definitely spicy. Init lang talaga yung problema niya. Oh my gosh, I'm numb. After like millions of seconds, yeah, for a freaking restaurant, we finally found one, and it's Bonchon. That's so crazy, right? Pero mag-order kami ng Cozy Tteokbokki and the chicken. The food is here. That's my food. That's my food. This is the food. I have honey, spicy with honey, rosy with sweet, fries. How about you, Ina? I don't like that. How about you? Bibimbap. Bibimbap? How about you?
Umbap. Chwarewa.
Okay, I'm gonna try my rosé. Tteokbokki. I'm gonna try it. Nakakaya ba kami lahat dito? Hinati-hati tayo. Tikman lang natin. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's...
Dalawa nga lang yung one piece dito.
Actually, okay like it. But I need the rice cake.
So one piece.
Rain Park. We didn't go, pero babalik kami sa 23. Tapos mag-Christmas shopping kami. So stay tuned because I'm definitely gonna, you know, record it. Make a vlog about it. I don't know. Oh my gosh, guys. Go back to like the Eastwood vlog that I did. Sasabihin ko doon like somewhere. Basta somewhere din sa video na yun. Ang masasabi ko doon, babe, ba't parang naka-iPhone na ako? Tapos i-wiggle-wiggle ko pa yung camera. Pero masarap ang donuts doon. Parang nasa iPhone. Babe, parang nasa iPhone. Hindi pala. Now that I do have it, it's low-key insane that I have it. Right? Like, go back to it and watch it. Like, somewhere there, masasabi ko talaga na parang may iPhone. Ito. Bipat, parang may iPhone ako. Okay. Okay. Bipat, parang sa iPhone. Bipat, parang sa iPhone. Sabihin, girl, wait. Girl stuff. Okay, bye guys.
Wala.
We're in the Maxter right now. The Maxter right now. I already have an iPhone. My mother has. Napakadami sa kanila rice too. See, bring back. So, binigyan kami ng nanay ko ng 1K. Kami lang. I wish I could get a free bags of Miniso. So, yun niya. Commandment sa December 23. Bakit 26? Tapos lang na get a happy ride. We're literally just gonna ride. Papunta doon, guys. Okay? Bumili kami ng Coco, okay? Hinihintay na lang namin, tapos bumili kami ng happy ride. Hey, firma daw!
Firma? Okay. Huwag kang ano, okay.
Where are guys? Let's go! Okay. Look at how pretty the view is! What? Guys, I don't have a mic yet. Stop. Stop bullying me. The hardest part about this is you try to like, you know. Guys, look at my mother. Okay, come with me in Miniso. So, may 1,000 kami na budget for Miniso or anything dito sa buong mall. Look at my dad, bro. He's so goofy looking, bro. What is she doing, bro? Kaliit yung Miniso nila, guys. Pag dinala, sorry, would be big. Pero at the same time, may tickets ko dun. Kung ano yun. Maybe because pinapanood ko before. Dito tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa cart. I see it. I like it. Charis. May lang, guys. Parang feeling ko nakain ko na yung amoy na yan. Lady perfume. Magnificent Life. I need to find my mom. I think I saw something. Ito na po, bumili ako ng bag and then ng, I don't know, perfume. Tapos bibili ako ng lanyard from that one accessory store. Here's what I bought. I bought an eyelash curler. Ting! And then a bag. Ting! And a perfume. Feeling ko, bukas ko na talaga ito i-edit. Or then, siguro baka mamaya, pa-charge ko muna yung cellphone ko. Kasi hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Kapag nag-20 lang. Share ko lang. Ano ba kayo? Oh my gosh, may fully book.
What?
Guys, tignan nyo ako yung itsura ko ngayon. Dan sa itsura ko nung pumunta kami dito. I'm exhausted. 6 PM na po. Nakalaki yung... Ayoko na, Charles. I'm here with Aki. Guys, alam nyo, bumili ako na bagong perfume. Tapos, sa 23 aalis kami. Boy is 41. Kaya, we ordered parang biscuit yata siya na ice cream. Nasa Burger King, guys, pero magti-take out na lang kami kasi halos lahat kami pamunahin. Ah. 12/10. I think the vlog is actually just gonna end here. Goodbye and thank you for joining our adventure today. Mwah!